The Chevy Silverado HD 2500 is an imposing beast of a truck, and with its Duramax 6.6 litre turbo diesel V8, it produces an incredible 1234 Newton meters of torque. But here at the Horsepower Factory, we think we can do much better. HPF has long been known for our custom dyno tuning skills, and now our tuners have developed a custom dyno tune that not only gets you optimised performance, but also gives a further 2 selectable power modes. With all the tuning done, let's check out the results. Here we can see the original power and torque figures as measured at the wheels. The first tune is our optimised stock tune, offering an increase of 8% power and 14% torque. This is our new default setting. The first selectable tune is our towing tune, offering 20% more power and torque over the baseline. The second selectable tune is our performance tune, offering 30% more power and torque over the baseline. This has resulted in peak power now at an incredible 430 kilowatts and torque increased to a massive 1600 Newton meters. Each tune is easily selected from the steering wheel using the cruise control buttons, with the glow plug light showing which mode you are in. 1 flash for towing and 2 for performance.
Again, and then lock in.
Simple as that, eh?
Simple as that.
Awesome.
Amazing.
All right.
Exciting.
Well, go test it out and give us some feedback.
I'm going to have some fun.
For more information on this package, call us on 1-800-GO-FAST or visit our website at hp-f.com.au.